Here are 5 valuable tips to help you draw cartoon hair and fur better. First, don't start by drawing the final line of your hair. You're more than likely to draw what I call an unbalanced head. Instead, start by lightly mapping out the various sections or major locks of hair or fur, then build on that. Second, when drawing the final lines, don't try to connect every lock or tuft of fur or hair. Doing so can lead to that hair or fur looking like saw blades or lightning. Third, lift that pencil now and then to give some of those sections a little breathing room, giving that hair and fur the appearance of lightness and flow. 4. Try to vary the direction and length of the individual hairs. Doing so makes it look more natural. That said, be aware of the overall direction of the hairs. For instance, when drawing fur on legs and arms, the overall flow should point in the direction of the foot or hand. And finally, number 5, to add life or vitality to the hair or fur, try to draw lightly, allowing that pencil to flow or glide on your paper. Remember, the harder you press, the stiffer the line will be. Hope this helps. Go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for the full lesson on drawing Splinter from the new TMNT movie Mutant Mayhem and hundreds of other videos.